Welcome to Legends on Wheels. Imagine a car so powerful, so luxurious, and so intimidating that it became the choice of kings, celebrities, dictators, and yes, the Russian Mafia. This isn't just any car. This is the 1963 Mercedes-Benz 600 Grosser, a machine that didn't just transport people. It transported power, fear, and status wherever it went. When the Grosser rolled out in 1963, Mercedes didn't just want to build a car. They wanted to build a statement, the ultimate luxury sedan of the 20th century. At over 18 feet long, this beast wasn't just a car, it was a rolling throne room. Its presence alone was enough to silence a street. People didn't see the person inside first. They saw the car and instantly knew someone important had arrived. But what made it so special? For starters, it was packed with technology far ahead of its time. The Grosser came with a complex hydraulic system that controlled everything: the windows, the seats, the sunroof, even the trunk lid. With the press of a button, everything moved silently, powered by pressure instead of motors. In the 1960s, this was science fiction turned into reality. Under the hood was a massive 6.3-liter V8 engine, capable of pushing this heavyweight to highway speeds with shocking ease. Despite its size, the Grosser could glide across roads as if it were floating. Mercedes built it not just to be driven, but to be chauffeured. The back seat was where the magic happened, with space, comfort, and gadgets fit for emperors. And that's exactly who bought it. The Grosser was never meant for the average wealthy businessman. Its price tag was astronomical, far higher than most houses at the time. This wasn't luxury, it was exclusivity. Only the richest, most powerful, and most feared people could own one. Fidel Castro had one. Kim Jong-un's grandfather, Kim Il-sung, rode in one. Celebrities like John Lennon and Elvis Presley owned them. Even the Pope had his own custom-built Grosser. Wherever you looked, the 600 was a rolling symbol of untouchable status. But in the shadows of Europe, the Grosser took on a darker reputation. In the 1970s and 1980s, it became the car of choice for the Russian Mafia. These mobsters loved the Grosser because it was more than just a ride. It was a warning. Pulling up in a black Mercedes 600 sent a clear message. Wealth, power, and danger were sitting inside. Other luxury cars existed, but none carried the same aura of fear. In Russia, the Grosser wasn't just respected, it was feared. And the car's durability only added to its legend. Built like a tank, it was nearly indestructible. Stories spread of Grossers surviving years of abuse, yet still starting with a roar. For mafia bosses and world leaders, this wasn't just convenience, it was security. Even Hollywood couldn't resist. The Mercedes 600 became a favorite in gangster movies and spy thrillers, forever tying it to an image of dark power and mystery. When you saw that massive chrome grille and long body, you instantly knew the person stepping out wasn't just anyone. They were someone to be remembered. What makes the Grosser even more fascinating is how rare it truly is. Mercedes produced only around 2,700 units between 1963 and 1981. That's it. Each one hand-built, each one unique. Today, collectors fight to own them, and prices soar into the millions for well-kept examples. So why does the Mercedes 600 Grosser still matter today? Because it represents more than just a car. It represents an era where automobiles weren't just transportation. They were symbols of absolute authority. From royal families to mafia bosses, from musicians to dictators, the Grosser wasn't just a car you owned. It was a car that owned the room, the road, and the respect of everyone who saw it. If you're enjoying this journey through legendary rides, make sure to hit that like button. And tell me in the comments, if you had the chance, would you take a ride in the Grosser, knowing its history of power and fear? The Mercedes 600 wasn't built for everyone. It was built for the few who demanded more than luxury. They demanded presence. Today, it remains one of the most iconic status symbols on four wheels, a timeless reminder that cars can carry more than people. They can carry history. Thanks for watching Legends on Wheels. Don't forget to subscribe because our next ride might just surprise you.